Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you a very interesting 3D printer from Amazon, the Elegoo Saturn 4 Ultra. It lets you create highly detailed models right at home. Before we begin, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps the video get promoted and motivates me to make more reviews for you. Let's get started. The printer arrives in a sturdy box with secure internal protection. Everything inside is well fixed, so nothing moves around or gets scratched during delivery. The box opens easily and the unboxing experience is pleasant. You can immediately see that the manufacturer took care of safety and convenience for your first setup. The package includes the printer itself, the cover, a power supply, tools, the resin vat, and several small accessories. The printer looks modern and neat. The body feels solid, all components fit tightly, and nothing feels loose. The cover lifts off easily and the working area looks clean and well organized. The build plate moves smoothly and it's clear the structure is designed for stable printing. The Elegoo Saturn 4 Ultra allows you to print very detailed models, figurines, assembly parts, and various complex objects. Since it works with photopolymer resin, small details and fine lines come out sharp and smooth. This printer is great for making intricate models, miniatures, project components, decorative pieces, or prototypes. It operates reliably and doesn't require complicated adjustments. Just pour in the resin, load your model, and start the print. The printer delivers high detail even on complex pieces, so the results look professional. It runs quietly, the movement is smooth, and there are no strong vibrations. Everything is designed so that the user can print without a lot of manual settings. The cover seals well and helps reduce resin odor. The build plate is flat. Prints adhere properly, and even your very first model is likely to come out well. It's a great choice for hobby use, small home production, or anyone looking to create detailed models for selling. You'll need a dedicated workspace for resin printing, as the material does have a noticeable smell. After printing, the models need to be washed and cured, so the overall process is longer than with FDM printers, and beginners might find it a bit more complex. Resin and consumables also cost money, so if you print often, you'll need to restock regularly. But these are standard aspects of any resin printer. The Elegoo Saturn 4 Ultra proves itself to be a reliable and modern printer for home use. It offers extremely high detail, and the finished models look smooth and refined. It's simple to operate, and even after the first print, it becomes clear that this is a great tool for both hobbyist and small commercial projects. If you've been wanting to get into resin printing or need a printer with real potential, the Saturn 4 Ultra leaves a very positive impression. Thanks for watching until the end. If you enjoyed this review, like the video, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. There's a lot more Amazon tech, reviews, and interesting projects coming soon. See you in the next videos.